And here we have a rare sight. The humble MG Midget with its roof up. As many of you know, I hate this thing having its roof up. I just don't think it quite looks right with the roof up. It was raining outside yesterday and it's either that or the interior gets wet. These are the good wheels, the two good wheels I have on the MG at the moment. I'm sure you've seen before. The other side is my two bad wheels. I call them bad wheels because that one's not painted at all. That one, someone's painted the bottom half and not finished it. I was going to finish it, but then I never liked the wheels. And I was on Facebook Marketplace the other day and I came across these bad boys. I've put the tyre on, didn't come with tyres. They'd been painted with, I think they were satin black, and I have just clear coated them. Before, after. I just love the look of these wheels. They are, I think they're really early MG Midget wheels. So before the Rostyle ones. And the other thing I noticed is my old tyres. There you go. 155 80 13. When I went on a tyre size comparison website, the original size is 145, and I thought 10mm width ain't gonna make much difference. Yeah, they're quite a bit taller. So I've gone with this is pretty much the same rolling radius on this one. This is a 165 65 13, which is pretty much the widest you can go without having to cut the rear arch out. And obviously mine being lowered, I've got a fair bit of space there. As you can see on the camera, there's a fair bit of, I can get a couple of fingers in that gap. Same on the other side. The wheels weren't the only thing I bought. I think you'll agree the wheels look freaking awesome. I bought a new front grille. So that ugly hole will look like that without the plastic on it. I'll get up in the air and we'll open this packet up. So the quality of this is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It is metal, it's obviously painted black, comes with the little MG badge, and there's little tabs on it for mounting. Apparently there's a little mounting kit in the plastic over there. And these are apparently designed for rubber bumper cars with the rubber bumpers removed, so you've got these annoying blocks in the way. So we'll do this one-handed. So that will sit in there like that, which really finishes the car off. Really pleased with that. And then obviously they mount in those holes there, which I'll need to put the camera down for. At the bottom we've got some, as you can see, there's, let me take the grille back out. Ooh. Got these, I don't know what these are called. You screw them in from the bottom, there's one each side. And they obviously come up through these holes here, and one just there. Right, so I'll better get screwing it in.